Hello, and thank you for allowing me to make this video. My name is Juan Bermudez, and I'm here today to speak to you about a communication event where my classmates and myself organized and participated on back in the fall semester called the Veg Out. In a time where food deserts exist, which means that some of Houston's low-income communities have limited access to affordable and nutritious food, people have strayed away from healthy eating, making them become more unfamiliar with a healthy lifestyle. The event was organized around data collected by surveys and close observations of students in the cafeteria, which helped the class pick the right audience to focus on. In the mural space on the third floor, right before the cafeteria, my classmates and myself rented a space between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. because we knew most students would be free at that time. But all of these would not have been possible without the collaboration with a local nonprofit organization called Recipe for Success. The goal of Recipe for Success was to communicate and teach people how to enjoy eating vegetables. The purpose of our event was to help the public or the UHD students to take away a different perspective on the ways they could eat vegetables or engage in healthy eating. In doing so, our Veg Out event has several fun interactive stations set up for the UHD community to engage with and learn more about vegetables and healthy eating. At the event, students were to participate with our interactive booth set up to teach new recipe ideas by cooking with different vegetables you would normally not consider, like cauliflower, mushrooms, and radishes. In the Veg Out event, we also provided demonstration stations in order to teach on how to eat specific veggies different ways. We also created Name That Veggie Station where students have to guess the vegetable they were eating. We also had a veggie wheel which worked just like the one in Jeopardy. And last was the veggie roulette where you spin the roulette and you had to answer a specific question after the ball stopped. But in order to get the word around, we also created an app station for our phones where UHD students could help you download the Veg app, which you can share with your friends. The Veg app can be used to challenge yourself to try 30 vegetables in 30 days. We also were showcasing the event by taking pictures behind a Instagram cutout so our students can become Insta famous. I know that was corny, but lastly, how can I forget? By participating in all different stations that my classmate and myself created, we also drew names into a drawing where students were able to get a chance to win an awesome door prize. For example, a $50 gift card to HEB or Kroger. Consequently, many students were not interested in the event. However, many other students were and left very satisfied. Notably, around 150 students participated in healthy eating during the event, and according to UHD Skyline News. In conclusion, the Veg Out event educated students the way of healthier lifestyle and also learned that. Consequently, many students were not interested in the event. However, other students were, and they left very satisfied. Notably, around 150 students participated in the healthy eating during the event, according to the UHD Skyline News. In conclusion, the Veg Out event educated students the way of a healthy lifestyle and also learned that there are delicious ways to eat healthy. From my understanding, another Veg Out event will be attempted again next semester due to our Veg Out initial success. Thank you.